Chapter 1, Verse 1.
In the name of Allah.
Mentioning the name of Allah, the Exalted, when doing lawful actions reminds Muslims that they should always strive to connect to Allah, the Exalted, through His sincere obedience, which involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Him. When one connects to Allah, the Exalted, they will be empowered to successfully overcome any situation they face. But when one forgets to remember Allah, the Exalted, during their activities, then they will be encouraged to connect it to worldly things. But as worldly things are innately weak, they will not gain the empowerment they need to overcome the tests and difficulties of this world. This is like a person who seeks refuge in a strong fortified castle during a storm and another who seeks refuge in a straw hut. It does not take a genius to determine who is more likely to overcome the difficulty of the storm successfully. Allah, the Exalted, has made it crystal clear that whoever correctly depends on Him through his sincere obedience will be sufficed from all issues they might face in both worlds. Chapter 65, Verse 3.
And whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him.
As Allah, the Exalted, is firm on His promises when one depends on Him, they too will become steadfast and firm when facing difficulties. But if they rely on people who are prone to change with the passing of time, they will become fickle and fail to remain steadfast.